Now, we've got
Ko'rib chiqaylik. Picnic area for bicycles. Velosipedlarga picnic area bor ekan. Parking degan. Classrooms, sports hall bu yoqda ekan, reception, college entrance. Hop, administration office'dan boshlash kerak.
some students here from Bardwell College who have joined us for today's events. Hello to you all and welcome. Now, before our day begins, you'll need to get a guest badge, which you'll have to wear while you're on the college premises. You can get these from the administration office. To get there from the main hall, leave the hall by the door opposite reception, turn left and just follow the corridor to the end. The administration office is...
Main hall degap. Aytmikan main hall? Main hall aytmanda hozir.
Reception, turn left and just follow the corridor to the end. The administration office is on your right. Don't...
B'ni aytyaptimi? Mana eshitinglar.
Or by the door opposite reception, turn. You can get these from the administration office. To get there from the main hall, leave the hall by the door opposite reception.
Mana leave the hall metdan chiqasan deyapti, to'g'rimi? Metdan chiqdik. To'g'ri, chiqamiz ekan.
Turn left and just follow the corridor to the end. The administration office is on your right. Don't go any further or you'll be in the sports hall.
O'tib ketib qolmagan, sen sport holiga chiqib ketib qolasan deyapti. Yana hozir bu yerda D bo'ladi. Shunda. Mana qarang, oxirigacha bor dedi maxri yo'lda.
You're right. To the end.
To the end.
The administrator follow the corridor to the end. The administration office is on your right.
Ayt oxirigacha yursak, on the right, o'ng tarafda bo'ladi. D deyapti ekan hozir bunga. Yani don't go further, uzoqqa chiqib ketib qolmagan, chiqib ketib qolsang sport holiga yetib olasan deyapti mana. Tushunarli? Shundan bilib olyapmiz.
Don't go any further or you'll be in the sports hall. If you show your guest badge in the cafe, by the way, you'll get a 20% discount on drinks and sandwiches. To get there from the main hall, walk along the corridor between the main hall and reception and turn right.
Kelik o'ngga burildi, ya vaqt burilamiz balki ham. Demakki burilarimiz koridordan deyapti. To'xtab turinglar, javob aytgan yo'q hali.
The cafe is through the first door on your left.
Mana kelib burilsa first on your left. Imi? Iga to'g'ri kelayotgan. Shashmash kerak bolajonlar, shashmash kerak.
Directly opposite the cafe, on the same corridor, is the student common room.
Buni to'g'risi deganda K ga to'g'ri kelyapti. Directly opposite ketyapti. O'zi bolalar mana shu narsani IELTS hozir kamaytirganda, masalan bu fair yondashilmasa, masalan hozir mana kafeni aytaylik men topa olmadim. Menga 3-savol topishga imkon berish kerak-da. Hozir men agar kafeni topa olmagan bo'lsam, o'sha 3 tani topa olmayman degani. Bitta savol, ikkita savol ketib qoladi. Hozir masalan hozirgi momentda ochiq ketgan IELTS savollarda bunaqa emas. Iloji boricha hammasini alohida aytib ketishadi. Tushunarli? Mana endi sal eskiroq savolga o'xshayapti o'zi. Bundoq. Dizayni ham unchalik zo'r emas-ku, tanamas. Cable and lockersmi?
Where you can go to relax and perhaps meet some of our own students. If you have any valuables that you don't want to carry around with you, I suggest you put these in a locker. These are next to the sports hall, opposite the administration office. You can get a key.
Sports hall, administration office qarshisida dedim mana C. Ana buni ham qarang, mana unga bog'lab qo'ydi administration office-ga. Biriga. Tushunyapsizlar? Biri topa olmasa kalla qo'yardik buni ham. Library oxirgisi.
For a locker when you get your guest badge from the administration office. And if you want to use our library, leave the main hall by the door opposite the one you came in, that's the door by the bicycle parking area, and walk to the end of the corridor. The library is through the door straight ahead of you.
Qarang, main hall ekan, to'g'rimi?
Main hall by the door opposite. And if you want to use our library, leave the main hall by the door opposite the one you came in.
Qarang, biz kirib keldik bu tomondan. Endi bu yoqdan chiqqin deyapti. Opposite you came in. Kirib kelgan tomonga bu yoqdan chiqib ket deyapti. Okay.
That's the door by the bicycle parking area.
Mana oldi ekan. Bicycle parking area oldi ekan.
And walk to the end of the corridor. The library is through the door straight ahead of you.
Orgacha kelar ekanmiz va to'g'rimizda deyapti. Bga o'xshayaptimi? B shekilli yo'q. Javoblar kimda bor buni? Shuni ko'rib berganmiz. Bitta qaranglar, to'g'ri bo'lsa to'g'ri, bo'lmasa to'g'risi men ham boshimda aqaba bor.